Welcome to today's video on the law of attraction and financial freedom. Many of us aspire to experience abundance and financial prosperity in our lives. The law of attraction offers a powerful tool for manifesting the financial freedom we desire. By understanding and applying the principles of the law of attraction, we can align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with abundance, allowing us to attract wealth and create a life of financial abundance. In this video, we will explore practical strategies and mindset shifts that will help you manifest abundance and achieve financial freedom using the law of attraction. Understanding the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states that like attracts like. It suggests that we attract into our lives what we focus on and believe in. When it comes to financial abundance, the law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts and beliefs about money have a direct impact on our financial reality. By aligning our thoughts and beliefs with abundance, we can attract wealth and create a life of financial freedom. Cultivate an abundance mindset. To manifest abundance, it's crucial to cultivate an abundance mindset. This means shifting your thoughts and beliefs from scarcity and lack to abundance and prosperity. Start by becoming aware of any limiting beliefs or negative thoughts you have about money. Replace them with positive affirmations and beliefs such as, "I am a magnet for financial abundance," or "I attract wealth and prosperity into my life." Embrace the belief that there is an unlimited supply of wealth available to you and that you are deserving of financial abundance. Visualize your financial goals. Visualization is a powerful tool in the law of attraction. Take time each day to visualize yourself living a life of financial freedom. Imagine yourself enjoying the lifestyle you desire, experiencing financial abundance, and feeling the emotions of joy, fulfillment, and gratitude that come with it. Create a clear mental picture of your financial goals and visualize them as if they have already been achieved. The more vividly you can imagine and feel your financial success, the stronger the energetic vibration you send out to the universe. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is essential for manifesting abundance. Clearly define what financial freedom means to you. Determine the amount of money you want to earn, save, invest, or have in your bank account. Write down your goals and be specific about the timeline and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Setting clear financial goals helps focus your energy and intention on manifesting abundance. Take inspired action. Manifesting abundance requires taking inspired action. While the law of attraction is powerful, it's important to remember that it's not about wishful thinking alone. Take practical steps towards your financial goals. This may include learning new skills, starting a business, investing wisely, or seeking opportunities for growth and advancement. Trust your intuition and take action that aligns with your goals and desires. As you take inspired action, you signal to the universe your commitment and readiness to receive abundance. Practice gratitude for your current financial situation. Gratitude is a transformative practice that can enhance the manifestation of abundance. Take time each day to express gratitude for your current financial situation, no matter how big or small. Focus on the abundance that already exists in your life. Appreciate the money you have, the opportunities you've had, and the lessons you've learned along the way. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more abundance into your life. Release limiting beliefs and money blocks. Many of us hold unconscious limiting beliefs and money blocks that hinder our ability to manifest abundance. These beliefs often stem from childhood conditioning or societal influences. Take time to identify and release these limiting beliefs. Challenge the belief that money is scarce or that you don't deserve financial abundance. Replace them with empowering beliefs such as, "I am worthy of financial abundance," or "There is more than enough money for everyone, including me." By consciously choosing empowering beliefs, you open yourself up to receive and manifest abundance. Practice generosity and abundance mentality. To attract financial abundance, it's important to cultivate an abundance mentality. Embrace the belief that there is more than enough wealth to go around and that your success does not come at the expense of others. Practice generosity by sharing your time, resources, and wealth with others. This abundance mindset creates a positive energy flow and attracts more abundance into your life. Surround yourself with abundance. Surrounding yourself with abundance helps create a fertile environment for manifesting financial freedom. Seek out individuals who have achieved financial success and learn from them. Join communities or groups that support and encourage abundance mindset. Engage in conversations and activities that revolve around wealth creation and financial freedom. By immersing yourself in an abundance-focused environment, you absorb the energy of prosperity and open yourself up to greater financial possibilities. Release attachment and trust the process. While it's important to set clear financial goals and take inspired action, it's equally important to release attachment to specific outcomes. Trust that the universe has a plan for your financial abundance and be open to unexpected opportunities and avenues of wealth. Detach from the how and have faith that the universe will guide you towards the manifestation of your desires. When you release attachment, you allow the natural flow of abundance to unfold in your life. Practice financial discipline and responsibility. Manifesting financial abundance also requires practicing financial discipline and responsibility. Take charge of your finances by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and saving money. Make conscious choices in how you use and invest your resources. Set financial boundaries and prioritize your financial goals. By demonstrating responsible financial habits, you show the universe that you are a good steward of wealth and can be trusted with greater abundance. Celebrate and appreciate financial wins. Celebrating and appreciating your financial wins along the way is crucial for reinforcing the manifestation of abundance. Acknowledge and celebrate each milestone and achievement, no matter how small. Take time to appreciate the progress you've made and the abundance that has come into your life. Celebrating your financial wins generates positive energy and attracts more abundance to flow towards you. Using the law of attraction to manifest financial freedom and abundance is a powerful tool for creating the life you desire. By cultivating an abundance mindset, setting clear goals, taking inspired action, and practicing gratitude and generosity, you can align yourself with the energetic vibration of abundance and attract wealth into your life. Remember to release limiting beliefs, trust the process, and practice financial discipline. As you continue on this journey, embrace the belief that you are worthy of financial abundance and that there is an unlimited supply of wealth available to you. Trust in the power of the law of attraction and open yourself up to the endless possibilities of financial freedom.